Hello everyone and welcome to this module on the plumbing trade. In today's video, we will explore pipe bending techniques for both GI pipes and PVC pipes with a diameter of up to 50 mm. By the end of this video, you will be able to bend a GI pipe using the hot method, bend a GI pipe using the cold method in a pipe bending machine, bend a GI pipe using a portable hand-operated bender, bend a GI pipe using a hydraulic bending machine, bend a PVC pipe using dry sand, bend a PVC pipe using heat, and bend a PVC pipe using a heat fan and bend spring. Let us collect the tools and equipment required to do this. Steel rule 1, steel tape 1, cold flat chisel 1, ball peen hammer 1, hacksaw frame with blade 1, wedge template 1, marker 1, tri-square 1, soft hammer 1, safety glasses, a respirator, heat resistant gloves, steel wool as required, sandpaper as required, bend spring 25 mm as required, pipe bending machine 1, portable bending machine 1, hydraulic bending machine with all the accessories 1, template as required, PVC pipe cutter 1, bench vise 1, blow lamp 1, flat file 1, cotton vase as required, wooden plug as required, GI pipe 12 mm to 75 mm as required, PVC pipe 12 mm to 75 mm as required, dry fine silica sand as required, hydraulic oil as required, heat gun as required, PVC pipe bending heaters as required. Let us first bend a GI pipe using the hot method. Start by filling the pipe ends square. Then remove the burrs. Calculate the length of the pipe as follows. If D is the diameter of the bend and phi is the angle of bend, L is the length of curved portion, then L equal to 360 into pi into D into phi, where OA is the inner radius of the bend represented by capital R, AB is the radius of the pipe represented by lowercase r, then OB is the radius of the bend, which is capital R plus lowercase r. L is equal to capital R plus lowercase r into 0.1745 into 5. The total length of the pipe will now be L1 plus L2 plus L. Measure and mark off the pipe at the center of the bend and at the beginning and end of the bend from the center line. Measure the inside diameter of the pipe and select two suitable wooden plugs for the pipe. Plug one end of the pipe with a wooden peg. Fill the pipe with clean, dry and fine sand. Compress the sand by tapping the pipe with a soft hammer and plug the other end. Clamp one end of the pipe in a vise and protect the clamped portion of the pipe with lead or copper shims. Heat the area to be bent using an oxyacetylene torch until it glows red. Pull down the pipe gently in the direction of the bend. Take short pulls until the correct bend angle is reached. Check the bend radius with a template. Apply heat throughout the whole operation and overbend slightly and straighten out the final bend. Remove one end of the plug. Remove the sand by tapping the pipe gently with a hammer. Now, we will use a cold method to bend a GI pipe using a pipe bending machine. Check the pipe for squareness and ensure it is free from burrs. Measure and mark off the center of the bend. Mark off the beginning and the end of the bend from the center line. Select the appropriate former to suit the size of the pipe. Clamp the bending machine in a bench vise. Keep the former in position and lock with a pin. Fix the backstop with a pin. Place the pipe in the bending machine, passing it through the bending arm and ensuring that it is seated with the groove of the former and against the backstop. Set the roller on the bending arm by adjusting the screw and lock nut. Bend the pipe by pulling the bending arm towards your body. Check the angle and radius of the bend using templates. Let us bend a GI pipe using a portable hand-operated bender. Check the pipe for squareness and ensure it is free from burrs. Measure and mark off the center of the bend. Mark off the beginning and the end of the bend from the center line. Prepare the pipe bender for bending the pipe, grouting the machine and ensuring that it is properly balanced while bending. Select the pipe for the pipe bender. Check the bender for all its components. Insert the pipe with a suitable former. Push off the leverage handle and give gradual load to the machine. Bend the pipe to the required angle. Check the bent pipe. Check the angle and radius of the bend using templates. Now let us use a hydraulic bending machine to bend the pipe. Arrange the size of the former, both inner and back. Set the former. Open the pressure release valve. Insert the inner former. Set the pipe in the proper location. Close the base plate on the proper hole. Close the pressure release valve. Pull and push the operating lever. Providing pressure to the pipe will allow it to bend. The inner formers are interchangeable and can bend pipes up to 75 mm in diameter. The inner former, back former, hydraulic ram, pressure release valve, operating lever, bleed screw and base plate. Stop the pull and push by using the operating lever. To achieve the required angle of bend, repeat the process of pull and push. Now, we will learn to bend a PVC pipe using the dry sand method. Cover one end of the pipe with a cap. Use hot sand to fill the pipe and bend it without it collapsing. For that, pour the sand into a dish and put it in an oven. Fill the pipe with sand so that it is a few inches past the bend block of one end. Heat the sand to 425 degree Fahrenheit or 281.3 degrees Celsius. Carefully pour the hot sand back into the PVC pipe. Slowly bend the pipe into your desired shape. Empty the sand out and let the pipe cool. Bending a PVC pipe using a hair dryer. Fill the pipe with enough sand to cover 2 or 3 inches above the planned area. Apply heat evenly around the planned bend. Slowly bend the pipe, applying more heat as necessary. Remove the sand and let the pipe cool. Bending a PVC pipe using a heat gun and bend spring. Take a 25 mm PVC pipe and bend spring. Insert the bend spring into the pipe. Apply the heat evenly around your planned bend. Slowly bend the pipe to the planned shape. Bending procedures must be conducted in a well-ventilated area. Always use protective clothing. Use safety glasses. Do not expose the pipe to open flames or excessive temperature. In this video, we have discussed how to bend a GI pipe using the hot method, bend a GI pipe using the cold method in a pipe bending machine, bend a GI pipe using a portable hand-operated bender, bend a pipe using a hydraulic bending machine, bend a PVC pipe using dry sand, bend a PVC pipe using heat, bend a PVC pipe using a heat fan and bend spring. Hope you have a clear understanding of this. Thank you all and see you in the next video.